Hello guys, welcome to Designer4passion. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can edit the Shopify website code in your local editor, any editor like Visual Studio, Sublime Text or Notepad++ in your local computer. So to do this, what we need to do is to install a tool called Themekit, which help us to use to edit the code on our local computer. So we need to come into this link. This is the GitHub repository for Shopify Themekit. Again, here the latest version currently is 1.3.0. So and I need to download it for Windows 64-bit. So let's download it from here. So now it is downloaded. We need to extract it. Here's the syntax. Now right click cut it. We need to write it into the C / program file / if create a new folder called Themekit and open it. We need to paste it here. I already have this file here. Now next thing we need to do is copy this file path and go to this PC, go to properties, advanced system settings and environment variables and open this path. I already have this path. Let's edit it again. Okay. Now what we need to do is to create a folder anywhere in our this PC. I'm creating it directly on the desktop. My website. Now next thing we need to do is to open our code editor. I use Visual Studio Code here. You can use any of your favorite code editor. So let's open the folder and create a new file. Save it as config.yml. It's saved. Now insert this entries in this file. Development, password, team ID, and store URL. Okay. So now where we find this place, let me show you. Go to our website again. Go to apps and at the bottom click on manage private apps. Create new private app. Private name is Themekit. Already have to enter your email address here and scroll down. Show inactive administrative access. Now scroll down more to the themes and from here from no access change it to read and write access and save it. It is creating an app. Let's wait for it. here. Scroll down and in the admin API, here's the password. Let's copy it and paste it here. The next is theme ID. You can find theme ID here. I do not recommend editing direct the live theme file. So here's the corporate version of the theme file. Click on edit all, and the numbers here after the /admin/themes is our theme ID. So let's copy it and paste it here. The next is store. We need to enter the store URL here, which is this. Enter it and remove the last slash. Save the file. And now the next thing to do is to download our website files into this folder. All you need to do is open the CMD in this folder, run theme download command, and this will download our theme file. It will take a few seconds. Okay, our files are downloaded now in the folder. Now we need to run another command called theme watch. While we run this command, this Themekit will watch any changes in this file and update it on the website. Like to do any changes here, like remove this comment. All our changes will be automatically saved. Now in any file we will do. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this content, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more this tech related videos. Bye.